Hey, what is up, you guys? Well, if you're thinking and wondering why we're 1.6K in profit, um, we went live yesterday. We took these trades, and I showed you guys the analysis. I thought, we will get a major structure shift with NQ as well. I think it's gonna break these lows potentially. So we're aiming for lower profit targets. This is quite ambitious. We might take profits earlier. We're gonna have to see how it reacts off this levels. If there's a big wick towards the upside, we're gonna have to take profits. But if it gets a lot of momentum, a lot of sellers pushing aggressively towards the downside, we could get a massive thing. So what are we actually doing? We're doing. Let me just take these overlays away real quick. So yeah, we're doing the Hola Prime. This is the dashboard, guys, and we're down right now 3.8%. Not too bad. Yesterday we were in a real rough spot. We basically only had like 2.5k drawdown left. We're crawling our way back. We're crawling our way back after a couple of mistakes that I've made. But yeah, this is the Hola Prime Prime Challenge. And let me just pull it up real quick. Oh, I'm on the future side. Sorry, guys. Yep. So we're doing the two-step Prime account, 100K. Right now, there's still a massive discount going on. Hey, if you do want to use my code, that would be much appreciated. But let's get into this. We might let's see. Let me put these back. Yep, there we go. Now, look, guys, we might actually, because we're gonna keep these open. We might actually have to. We will take maybe a DAX trade today, German 30. So let me replace this real quick with the German 30. There we go. Let's see, because there's the London Open is gonna happen in a little bit, in like 45 minutes, about 43 minutes. So let's see. I'm not gonna do it right now, but in 43 minutes, we're gonna look at the opening market range and maybe take a little scalp on there. But we're gonna keep these open because I think these are still solid, still valid. Gold just made another low. We drew a cheeky little Tory trades trend line here, just for jokes. But like that trend line has now been broken. So hey, that's another confirmation for us. It's below the EMAs. And basically, yeah, we could move stop loss basically to break even now. I think if it comes back up, it might actually reverse on us. So let's just put stop loss to break even. It would be sad if it does come old. I mean, it's a very big possibility that it does create a relief rally towards the upside. But right now the target is over here. Yeah, you can't see it, but like it's 2.5k. Will we get there in one big swoop, or will it go up down slowly towards the downside? Yeah, it's probably gonna go up and down. But hey, things happen with gold sometimes that it is a possibility. But hey, we're break even now on that trade. Whatever happens. Let's see. NASDAQ still not breaking the lows. This is a very strong zone as well. It's got many bounces off here, off this zone. So I do think it will break if it comes back up a little bit. I doubt it will come all the way back up. If you look at the daily candles on NASDAQ, then yeah, if you just look at that daily candle right there, I doubt that it will come all the way back up. But it's a possibility. It's a possibility, guys. A lot of you guys were saying take profit yesterday, but I think we're moving further down today as well. So it's not a bad hold, guys. It's not a bad hold. To hold it for today as well. We're just gonna have to, take the ups and downs of it. We might be 2K in profit, go back to 1K profit, all that stuff. We're gonna have to endure all those little, differences. So hey, what's up, David? Prudry, finally cooking. Are you a profitable trader? Look, guys. I mean, I think you guys are just watching this stream, but yeah, if you like watched my first live stream thing where I did the boot camp, I had 0 losing days. I passed it in one try. We did it all live. We passed the challenge. Okay. Currently on the Fivers also, I had 2 winning days, no losses yet. This account, I made a couple mistakes along the way, but we're calling our way back, man. Hey, right now, as it stands, we're 3.8. If I took profit right now, we're only down 3.8%. That means 2 trades, 1 to 2 risk ratio, risking 1% to make 2%. 2 trades like that, and we're already back at break even. Hey, not a big deal. If these 2 trades hit, which I know it's an ambitious TP. I know that, but if these 2 trades hit, then we're totally even in profit, man. But yeah, we need some big volume to come down. If then how much? If I take partials now, I think for gold the position is just gonna be so tiny, 0.05 lots. We already went pretty small into that position. We might trail our stop along the way because it keeps continuing to make you see these a little relief rally, but keeps continuing making these. So looks like it's gonna give another push towards the downside right now. I like the positivity. Just a question though. You got this, man. Oh, thanks. Yeah. No, I know. It's like, hey, to be down like this live, it kind of sucks. It does suck, man. Like people will go after you in the comments, but hey, we're crawling our way back, man. We're crawling our way back. Yeah, it's been a rough week, but sometimes these things happen, and like your strategy might not play out, and then it will, and that's just a part of trading. With any business, there's going to be losses. You're going to have, with a restaurant business, like I always say, like you could have all your food rot like for a week. Maybe there's something going on. Your customers are not coming. Your food is rotting. You lose all your food, man. You have to throw it all away. You got to rebuy it and hope that these customers will come back. Hey, any business has losses. If you got a t-shirt company, the Chinese factory, they make a mistake, it's all messed up, or with the shipping, something goes wrong, the package gets lost. Hey, you're lost, man. Or maybe you're insured for that. But like, I'm just saying, there's going to be losses with any type of business. And the mistake I probably made was over trading, guys, because I don't even I don't trade like the swing trading or bigger perspective even every day, because it was a ranging market. It was a ranging market. We should have been patient and waited for an actual breakout or something like that. We were trying to trade that range was not so smart. But I do want to keep doing these lives every single day. And there are trades every single day. So I'm not using that as an excuse. But yeah, I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying we should have been more patient. And taking the trades on live means that I have to do it in a short, because I'm not live streaming like full like the whole day. So I have to take these trades during certain time periods, like the London Open or the New York Open or New York PM session, because yeah, guys, I have a life as well, right? So like I can't be anyway, I'm not gonna make excuses, man. The losses are the losses. I'm not gonna make any more excuses. You got to look at the losses as expenses. No business makes just pure profit. Exactly, man. 100% right. And it looks like look at that. Look at that, guys. So, you know, our side was oversold, came back up a little bit, didn't even break the 9, didn't even break the 9 EMA, came straight back out. It didn't even test the 9 EMA. So very, 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 very strong trend towards the downside with gold. Looks like it will just continue. But yeah, London, let's see, man. Let's see what London does, because you know, it could very well, you know, well, I thought Asia did like a little bit of a relief rally as well. It actually we actually went a little bit into drawdown, hit the 200 EMA, came back down. So it retested the 200 EMA. So yeah, Asia decided at the end of it to sell as well. Now let's see what London will do. And we have a pretty big stop on NAS as well. If the London opens a little bit bullish, it's fine. Looks like gold will not. Now, if we want to be like conservative, we could trail our stop right there. But I'm gonna hold off a little bit with that, because I don't mind enduring a little bit of drawdown. It's fine, because these could be legendary trades, guys. If you know, if this one hits, man, this is a 7K. This is a 7K position right there. 7.3K profit. Hey, man, if that hits, it's a legendary position. So it's a 1 to 7 RR. We're risking 1% to make 7%. Hey, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. But I know it's a little bit of we need a major structure shift. It needs to break these lows, which are very, very strong. But what has it been doing? Lower high, lower high, lower high. Now a big push, big daily candle right there. I just think the fear is in the market right now. It's not like, think about it in this way, guys. If you were in the market, right, and you see this, do you think this is a buy right now? Or do you think, hey, let me wait a little bit and try to go for the buy over here? Like if you look at this structure, boom, equal highs, but kind of ranging, just no real aggressive buyers pushing it up, slowly down. Buyers becoming less and less aggressive, and now the sellers are like heavily dropping in. You know what I mean? So I would not buy from here. I would probably be like, hey, there is a possibility that it could come here. You know what I mean? Now gold creating equal lows. Okay, let's not overanalyze. Let's just keep the bigger perspective here going. So yeah. You should definitely take partials if you think it's going to reverse. Look, I mean, it's not really, yeah, we could trail the stop. and enter maybe if it comes higher, right? Yeah, we could always re-enter gold somewhere here, if it does try to pump ski past. But yeah, London could also. The thing is with London, like it could create the fake out of wanting to pump and then dump, and then we're out of the position, and what are we gonna do then? You know what I mean? Then we don't have that position anymore. So yeah, no, guys, I have to keep my original plan. Sorry, the chat. I'm sorry. Like I'm letting myself get persuaded too quick. I need to, I need to keep my original plans, guys. Okay, this is one of the things with the live stream, man. It makes me second guess myself. So I appreciate it. But like, let me just stick to my original plan that I made. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So damn, man, you should definitely get. Okay. What's the time in Estonia? How's your mom in? She's not in Kerala. She's in. I don't. I don't remember anymore, man. Uh. Okay. Yeah, but she's good. I'm not in Estonia. I'm in Amsterdam. I'm in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, man. What's up, Haji FX? Welcome back, dude. Um, yeah, she's good, and I'm in the Netherlands, so the time right now is 8:31 a.m. So the London session opens 9 a.m. for me. 9 a.m. is when it's so there's like a 1 hour difference with the UK. Bro, it's Vodka Land place. It's Kerala State. Oh, I get you. Okay, I got you. Ah, happy to see you winning. Oh, thanks, guys. Yeah, you know what? Like I thought I would get more. Well, like some comments, like one of my friends was also like, listen, I saw you on live. I know that's not how you really like trade during the fivers. It was like a mess, but like yeah, it's easy when like things are going wrong to say like, you suck, yeah, blah. And then when you win, like you don't hear those guys. Only when you suck, you're like, rah, rah, you suck, you suck. So hey, it's another thing to handle, right? Um, but no, I have a, like unless like if these trades completely reverse on us, it would suck. But if we can at least get like 2.5 percent, we'll only be down 3%. That would mean if we risk like 750 on a trade to make 1.5k, we need two trades realistically to get back to break even. It's not too bad. It's not too bad. How much did you risk per trade? Yeah, that was like I think it was on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. I made like a mistake, man. I risked 1.5 lots instead of 0.5 on silver, and I took a 2k loss, so like 2% in one like 5 minutes. So it was bad. Then what else happened? We tried to trade the range. I risked like 1.5% on both of those, even though they weren't like 8+ setups. That was another mistake. I don't know. Like that was really dumb. So that's what's kind of created this hole. Then I took yesterday's stream in the London session was also an L. I was just trying to go for buys, man, which was yeah, we were just trading the range. Let's just go back to it. Um, so yeah, when we were in this range, right? I was again. I thought like, okay, these lows will have a reaction here, uh, but yeah, they didn't. So that was another mistake. Didn't take this huge candle towards the downside because I was trading my personal account, and then later I was trading the Fivers account live, which you can see on the live stream page on my YouTube channel. So we took like 400 profit there. Then I traded my personal again. Then we came back on like late New York, and then we entered into this short. So that's kind of because I'm juggling in between accounts and in between live streams and all that. Um, so that was kind of my day right there laid out. I actually I caught a nice move. It actually like retraced yesterday. Oh wow, that looks like so tiny now. But when this initial push happened, I don't even know. Like, was that the move? I would have to go back. Yeah, now this like seems so tiny, but this seemed like a big thing. Then it came back to the EMAs, and then I shorted it, but I got out like here somewhere. So I didn't ride it like all the way. Then I took another sell. I was like, oh gosh, this could go down. But again, I scalped it. I didn't dare to hold it for a long time. So when it came down here, I was patient. I took the break of structure kind of trade. Then the market closed. Asia pumped it. Now it's down here. Now it's all the way down here, and it looks like it's going to go lower. As we're approaching the New York Open. Why don't I copy trade? Because look, if I'm not gonna take these trades live, then it kind of like, look, if I pre-recorded these and just took these on my own time, you could be like, yeah, but like that's like whatever, because I could be like doing multiple accounts and then only showing the wins. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like that, man. I like full transparency. Hey, you're gonna see the losses as well, and that's fine. You know, that's a part of trading, and uh, yeah, it is what it is, man. Like, you're gonna see the losses, you're gonna see the wins, you're gonna see it all, and that's just real. If I'm gonna nitpick, like, oh, let me make a recorded video, and then I'll kind of gloss over the losses and put the wins, and like, no, let's not do it like that. Like, let's show everything, man. So why don't I copy trade? Because we got to take the things live, man. We gotta take the trades live. What's the point otherwise, man? I am gonna copy trade the Fivers accounts, but first I need to I need to pass them. Okay, so look, NASDAQ potentially now it broke this little structure potentially. And is trying to move lower. Let's see if London will give some volume for that. Gold still, look, the thing is, it could come up from here. But we'll see. Yeah, guys. Okay. First time I see you trade with the trend. Previous days you only counter trend. Was I really like counter trend? Because we were in a range. Yeah, I guess yeah. You could say it was counter trend, but in the bigger picture we were buying gold because it was still in an uptrend, right? But like I thought the consolidation because the dollar was moving down. Um, During that period, I thought gold was maybe lagging behind a little bit and it will pump out of nowhere. But like, yeah, I guess that was maybe a little bit stupid analysis because and now that the dollar is up, gold just nosedived. Um, yeah, the dollar is strong, so gold just took. But when the dollar was weak, the day before it had like a massive retracement. Gold didn't really make that, so that could have been an indication actually for me that hey, gold is very weak. You should short it. But like, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. It's like hindsight. You in hindsight you can be like, oh man, I could have done better there. I was foolish there. But what happened happened, man. The best we can do now is move forward, make the right decisions now. Yeah. So look, staring at the charts right now is gonna make me. How much money would make you stop trading? I don't think any amount will really. I enjoy it, man. I enjoy it. I just enjoy, man, the analysis and everything about it. Yeah, man. I just really enjoy trading, man. So I don't know if any particular amount of money will make me stop doing it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so, man. What about you? What about you? Would like what will make you comfortable? Look, I could always start a potato farm, get my own chicken, cow, start to milk it and just live the farm life and not do trading. I don't know, man. Like I think trading is fun, man. Even though it's like it's tough sometimes when you get the losses and stuff, but at the end of the day, man, you're all good, man. Like it's a part of the game, man. Improvement. And I'm sure, guys, I'm sure I'll master these live streams too, man. I'll master these live streams too. In a couple months, guys, we'll just be, passing challenges left and right. if I just if I just keep with it. It's like with anything in life, guys, like with trading as well. The reason why 90% of people lose is because they quit because it's too painful. It's too painful and they can't handle the pain, man, of losing. And now I can't quit these live streams as it's not even that painful to be honest to be losing live, but it is a little bit humiliating. No, it's not humiliating even. It's like it's just not a nice feeling. Okay. It's not a nice feeling, but like I need to get over that. That's a mental block. That's a limiting thing for me. I need to once I get over that, once I get over the fears and the get used to the live streaming and stuff, I'm sure we're gonna be flying, man. We're not gonna be just slowly swimming. We're gonna be flying, man, with these live streams. So hopefully you guys stay patient with me, man. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me, man. Don't give up on me. 10 million, huh, GFX? 10 million. Wouldn't you be tempted to put that 10 million into the market though? Wouldn't you be tempted to buy the gold dip if it happens, Buy a little bit of Bitcoin when it gets to 30K maybe. You know what I mean? Yeah, I would be tempted, man. Oh, 10 mil to give it up, but like 10 mil to I guess you can make other investments. You could do other businesses, invest in real estate. It could be fun. You could like maybe buy some real estate that is It's not that like the price is low. It's a little bit of a crappy building, but you can like, build it up, get some construction going on there. Do those kinds of projects. I wouldn't mind doing that instead of trading, to be honest. But still, man, this analysis, man, it's fun, man. It's like a strategy game, man. It's like a strategy game. You got to figure out like, okay, what's gonna happen next? Like, how do you strategize? What's it gonna do next? Like it's just an interesting thing to do, man. And yeah, it's fun if we have something on side, I guess. Yeah, for sure, man. It's melting. Damn. Yeah. Gold is oh, as well as NASDAQ actually. Yes, also. So now I would buy 10 houses at random and get 40K rent every month. Yeah, until the housing market crashes. Like, hey, Dubai had a housing market crash just now. Well, it's not really a crash. It was like a little dip. Okay, guys. I mean, it's not out of the realm of possibilities now that we're actually gonna go for our target. It's not out of the realm of possibilities, is it? But like, the RSI is oversold. NASDAQ holding on to the last bit of support here, but it looks like it's coming down. So we're looking good, man. We're looking good. We're looking real good, man. So guys, okay. We're let me actually put it from the 4 hour to the 1 hour. Oh shoot. Yep. Yeah, it is approaching the oversold mark, guys. Again. And I always sort of start to look at the TP when it's oversold because it could have a little bounce, but this is not a normal day. Look at what has happened. It's not a normal day. Just the pre-market volume is already pretty extreme. Now I'm not ruling out that they very well could push it up and create a relief rally at least till here during the London session. But for now, let's just keep holding on. We're keeping it holding on, man. Okay, I gotta take a little break before the for the London Open. So in 12 minutes I'll be back, guys. Let me just put on some music. So I'll be back in about what is it now? In about 10 minutes. I'll be back in 10 minutes to do the London Open. For now, we'll see what the pre-market does. Okay. Back. Okay, 5 minutes before the open, a little bit less than 5 minutes. Looks like Nas is breaking down, man. And look, these are kind of the trades. These are the type of trades that you just kind of like leave. You just leave them running, and you don't even think about it, man. You don't look at it. Yeah, these are those types of trades, man, that you just you can just leave them running, man, and not worry about them. Because if you start looking at every little retracement as maybe the potential reversal, you'll make yourself crazy. So yeah, we should just leave these running. Yeah, so guys, I might trade. Let's see what the DAX is doing here. Let's like make an opening. Okay. I think we would need at least to break these highs too. Yeah, so we'll leave that for now. Sorry about that. So yeah, Nas, our beautiful Nas, is maybe going to break during the London session already. Yeah, we're watching some real crazy market shifts right now. So it's cool to be with you guys here live as we're watching these insane market shifts happen. Yeah, gold is on an absolute dumping spree. And the thing is, like with something like gold or something like Bitcoin, because there's also a lot of casual investors, when they see the price dropping down like that, they're all panicking. They're all like, oh, sell. Everybody sell everything, sell. And they're all going crazy. Okay, so let's see now, guys. Is it? Yeah, it's the London Open, guys. Let's see. The initial is a little bit green, the initial response, but but very tiny bits. Very tiny bits green, like minuscule. Now it's coming up a little bit. Now it's coming up a tiny bit. But so far, not much happening. Don't want to miss this action either, but let's real quick look at the DAX. DAX is open green. DAX is giving a nice push. But okay, I'm looking at the 1 minute, so never mind. Yeah, DAX, if it breaks this, it's a potential buy. But let's just keep that in the back burner for now. Yeah, the initial little green that is it is getting, yeah, it's getting absorbed a little bit. Yeah, not a lot of buyers stepping in. I thought maybe, you know, London will create a relief rally, but it hasn't happened yet. Very tiny candles, very tiny. But the volume could increase very quickly as well. So let's see. Would keep the trend going. Little bit of buyers stepping in, but these are 1 minute candles, so it's minuscule in the bigger perspective. If you look at the 30 minutes, it's nothing. But let's see. Looks like the trend is for now continuing. Let's look at the, okay, wait, let's wait a little bit more. I used to trade the DAX all the time during London session. Haven't traded it for a while, but my strategy was like 30 minutes after the market open till 1.5 hours after the market open. It will usually make a move, so we could try to catch that move. Looks like NASDAQ just had the initial reaction of going green, and now it's just yeah, look at that. This is very, very strong to the downside now. Let's see. Yeah, it's strong. I think it's gonna break. I think it's about to break, guys. London's gonna push it down even more. And looks like gold is yeah, it's coming down as well. Yep. So hey, my little fear that that London was gonna open very, very, you know, it was gonna retrace our trades a lot, did not happen, guys. It looks like it's going straight down. Yeah, it looks like it's going straight down, guys. Oof, that is very good for us, man. Wow, look at that. The London volume came in for gold. Holy smokes, man. That is insane. Just straight down, dude. Just straight down. Okay, I think we're about halfway there, guys. We're about halfway to our TP. Still a long way to go. But the initial reaction from London is pretty good, man. It's it created one little minuscule 5-minute candle, and boom, straight away came back down. Now this wick, let's see, could be problematic. Let's do the DAX. Let's see what it does. Looks like it's also not coming. We'll have to wait for a little bit longer. So yeah, the DAX is also bearish, obviously. So actually, yeah, with the DAX, we're playing off these two zones. If we get a break of this to the downside or break above. We're taking long, but yeah, I'm aiming more for the short version. So we're gonna see they're probably gonna manipulate it by going up a little bit and then pushing it down as well. If NAS and gold move down as well, then why wouldn't DEX? That's, yeah. Okay, so let's look at the chat, guys. I've been watching some of your streams, but I can't figure out how you're trading. Can you explain it a little bit? Well, these were, it's not like, these were kind of just trend trades. So what we saw was a little bit of supply. Well, it was a demand level, right? It broke the demand level. So I was thinking it's kind of the same analysis for NASDAQ. So I saw that it was weak over here. I just saw that it was weak. It was going to break it. So I know that realistically, like if you look at it, it was at least going to come down till here. But I'm anticipating a little bit of a bigger move to the downside with NASDAQ as well. So it's just following the trend, man. Right now, there's just a massive trend switch. If you look at it, it's kind of like a market structure shift. If you look at it, you know, we had that big push, came down. There was something with Trump, I don't remember exactly. Did a relief rally, created a lower high, was accumulated, like trading sideways for a long time, right? It broke that, broke this demand zone as well. Now it's going for these, for this. Here's a lot of liquidity right here, probably a lot of order sitting way below here. So they're most likely going to try to push it down here, and that's where we have our TP. with NAS, if you look at it from the daily perspective as well, it's kind of had the same reaction, push to the downside, tried to break above. There was probably some orders left here, so those massively push it down. Aggressive selling, then it's been accumulating but creating lower highs. So the buyers are less and less aggressive. They're less and less they're more willing to buy, if that makes sense. They're willing to buy less. So if you were an investor, right, do you think you would buy here, or would you see the potential of it coming down here and buying it from here? And it could be, guys, it could be that it's a complete market shift to bearish as well. That's not out of the realm of possibilities here, guys. Like, there's, you know, wars do that kind of thing, man. If this is a longer war, it could definitely be the case, especially like with these oil prices and stuff. It could definitely cause that to happen. So there's a lot of factors. I don't know, a lot of things in my mind that I'm thinking about. So it's not like just a simple strategy or anything. I'm just like thinking about everything. But yeah, that's kind of my thinking with these two trades. So hopefully that clears it up a little bit. Why I'm thinking of, you know, going for these bigger TPs. Yeah, guys, and if these trades hit, man, these will be pretty legendary trades, guys. You gotta give me that, man. Like, cause this one will be a 7K. This is a 7K profit target. If it will react actually. Okay, this is a 7.3K profit target, right? Hey, we'll be up positive, man. Again, it's just a longer term hold, that one. gold might actually do it today. You know what I mean? Gold is like just heading for that price target very quickly. NASDAQ will probably get the volume during New York, but gold just creating red candle after red candle after red candle and moving down very, very aggressively right now. So if we reach that TP, that would be great, actually. You know, that would actually wow. We're watching a historic moment right now, potentially, guys, because gold could be moving down like way lower as well, to the 4,000 area, perhaps even in the bigger perspective. But I'm obviously not gonna hold it till there. But you know, hey, trends need to break at some stage. The market is not always up. It needs to have a correction every once in a while. It's been up for an way overextended period anyway, and I'm talking about gold. It just I think it only has happened like 2 or 3 times in history that it's been positive for this many weeks in a row. So it has to have some negative weeks in the following. Usually it can retrace up to, you know, 20% after so many weeks in positive. So hey, look, right now, hey, we might even get it during London session. This is a historic. Like I said, guys, if they see huge red candles, guys, everybody who's a casual investor will start panic selling. They're like panicking. Oh gosh, it's dropping really quick. I'm down like this many percent. Let me sell as well. Let me sell as well. And this is like why it like rolls into a massive sell-off, because like when one person when they see this, then it's like herd mentality. They're all gonna be like, whoa, let's sell. Right now is sell. So I don't know. It's also the fact that no buyers are stepping in too aggressively right now. So yeah, on the daily, I just think, guys, it will come there. Let me know if you guys think that as well, or should I just be happy with the profit and take it? Let me know in the comments, man. Okay, so we were supposed to look at DAX as well. So still no action on DAX. Slowly moving towards the upside, but nothing too crazy. So we'll probably skip that trade, actually, to be smart. Yeah, guys, these are just holds, man. So I can be here chatting about this whole day, but basically these are just gonna be holds, man. And yeah, that's the thing. If you're gonna be doing these bigger perspective trades, it's kind of like I can be here on live stream talking 24/7 about these, but like but yeah. You were wondering what was the last time I was in like this? So, oh man, I had like one crazy ass trade with GJ once, and I went like really aggressively with that. I kept adding in. I was like going crazy, man. I don't even remember how much that was. It wasn't even that crazy. It was like 7,000 USD. on a pro firm account. I was going through it, man. Like that was an insane hold. But with GJ or with JPY pairs in general, you can catch those runners, man, and they can go for a long time, man. You could just be holding and holding and holding for days, and it just keeps going down or up, you know. In that case, it was going down. Thanks for explaining. I'm thinking about Hola. How are the spreads on Forex pairs? Around 1 to 2 pips spread, as well as on gold. Actually, we can pull up the little trade manager here. Let me see. So right now it's like about 2 pips spread. It's a little bit more volatile. Oh, that's NAS. Sorry about that. Dang it, wrong chart. Oh, so it's a 1.7 pip spread right now on gold. Very, very good. 1.7 pip spread on gold right now. Even though it's very volatile, that's a good spread. And the account is cheap. Account is cheap, man. $239, guys, for this account. You know, you can, me personally, I can buy one of these every single month. And if I pass it 1 month and I don't pass it the other month, hey, that's fine, man. You know what I mean? Like, once you do pass it, I'm gonna risk 0.25%. I'm gonna keep that account, and it's a static drawdown account, meaning, you know, everything I make on top I can withdraw, and I'll still keep the same drawdown. I'll still keep that same 80-20 profit split. They pay out very quickly, within, like, usually within 1 hour, average 30 minutes. They pay out straight to your account, straight to your through Rise. You can do it through crypto. So crypto is very, very quick. Within like a couple, like 1 minute, I use XRP usually, or USDC. Is like within 1 minute, it's on the crypto account. Literally very, very quick. It's going down to 24,888 sniper, 24,400, huh? But it's already at 24,300. I don't know which chart you're looking at. What's their max loss? It differs per account, but this one has 8% drawdown. This one has 8% drawdown, so it's $8,000. But hey, if you're funded with 8,000 drawdown, you can make some good money with that. Risking like 250 per trade or 500 per trade, you can go wrong a bunch of times before you blow it. It's just that we've been a bit too aggressive while not taking the A+ setups basically before this. So, and this is also, I would not say that this is an A+ setup, to be honest. The entry was if we would have entered somewhere around here, but I probably wouldn't have held it through this because I thought maybe it was gonna bounce off here. So, you know, anyway. So how are the spreads on gold? Yeah, like I showed just now. I don't know if that's an old question, but like it's 1.8 right now. 1.8 pip spread. Very, very good on gold. Very, very good. One of the lowest. Oh, MNQ. Okay, you're on the futures chart. I see. Okay, let me check the futures chart real quick. Yeah, sorry about that. Took me a little bit. Okay. I so you think that it's going somewhere here. Oh. So I think it's going somewhere here, huh? Like somewhere here, and then it's gonna reverse. Look, it could. It has bounced off this many times, so I agree with you. You see, there's like a little wick here. You think it's gonna reverse off that? It very well could, man. It very well could. Yeah, during New York, it could get some volume going and bounce off that. But is it really going to, if you think about it in the bigger perspective, like on the daily time frame, do you think it will bounce off this and completely rally up now? I doubt it, man. If you think about it in a bigger perspective, it looks like a bearish top to me, man. So I think, let's see how it reacts off this. Yes, let's see how it reacts off this and see if it creates a strong, you know, buyer stepping in strong, then yes, maybe it potentially could push it all the way back up. But if it's weak around here, if it's kind of just bouncing around for a long time and it's not really creating that quick instant like push to the upside, then I think, man, it could break this. It really could break this right now. Like we're seeing with gold, we're seeing a market shift, right? We could see a market shift with NQ, man. Don't rule it out. Don't rule it out. But you could get with futures, I know, man, like you could get a little scalp, a little bounce, and you're already really nicely in profit. But if you're looking for the bigger moves, I don't know, man. It's a little bit risky to buy from here right now, to be honest. In my opinion. So yeah, guys, let's see if we can how that DAX is looking real quick. It looks like it's moving down to, yeah, I'm not gonna take a trade on DAX. Nope. It looks like it's gonna come down, but yeah, it looks like it's just gonna break towards the downside. Should we? That's the question. Should we? I think it's pretty clear. I think it's pretty clear. Okay, now I need to adjust my profits here. Oh shoot. That's a little bit too far, maybe. Is that okay, guys? Because yeah, I think that's, you can see a little bit of the profit there, but I hope that's okay, guys. I hope that's okay. And let me pull up the multi-chart view. We got 3 things going on now. That's it. We're moving stop loss to break even with DAX. That's it. Let's see if it breaks. Let's see if it breaks. There we go. There we go. Yep. It broke. We're break even on 2 of the trades too. So gold and the DAX. I'm potentially, let's see here for our time frame. Oh. Oh, looking for 2% gain right there. Can we get that? I don't know. We're gonna try for it. Okay, we might need to keep our stop loss a little bit going. Still, it could give a little bounce or before it starts going. Put it above the EMAs right there. We're obviously going to trail it as it goes along, but I think that's the best to keep it safe. Okay, let me read the comments. Yo, you're doing good. Very nice progress. Hey, thanks guys. Yeah. We're hopefully gonna, come back. We're gonna come back from our little down period. Oh man. Okay. We didn't quite get the close on DAX. Wow. On the 15 minute. Yeah. Yeah, actually what it's going to try to do is it's going to try to retest the trend real quick. Okay, we got to keep the stop loss there. It's just the smartest thing to do. I know it's putting a little bit of risk on our account, but we got to put some risk on it, otherwise we'll just get stopped out, man. Okay. Well, guys, we'll see. All in all, if all these trades hit, we're gonna be very nicely in profit, like actually on the account, but like we'll see, man. Right now, yeah, it's retesting these EMAs right now. I was hoping for a clear break towards the downside, but right now it's still fighting. The bulls and bears are fighting a little bit. Retesting the 9 now, and it looks like it's getting rejected. So cool. That's very good for us. Yeah, we got potential runners here, guys. We got really good potential runners here. Just adding the DAX in will give it, you know, will really take advantage of this trend. DAX is something that we can only hold, that I personally only would like to hold during New York's what am I saying, London session, because during New York it really slows down. Usually. Right now it's not very usual. Everything has very high volume volatility. So yeah, sorry. Let me check the chat. Do not broke this. Protect your capital. Yeah, David. I mean, what do you mean broke this? What do you mean broke this? You mean like I should take profit, or like what? Okay, I have to move this profit up a little bit because it's not clear to see even. It is what it is, man. It's better to see it clearly on the bottom right. Hey guys, we need 2.5% to be break even on the account. Gold. What the hell? Oh, gold is really approaching. We need one. We're like I think 65%, maybe even 70%. No. Yeah, about 65% to our profit target. NAS also looks like it's about to break. You know, came back up. Now it's engulfing. The 4-hour candle is coming in very, very strong to the downside. DAX is playing around a little bit with the 9 EMA short-term trend, but it could increase in volatility towards the downside as well once it does. Once it does break this low, which is the red line right now, it needs to close below the red line on the 15-minute time frame. So we need it closed exactly above. But if we get a candle closure, meaning it's not a wick, but it's like the body of the candle closes below that 15-minute, I'm moving stops to break even, because that's clear confirmation that it's moving to the downside. That's a clear confirmation that it's moving to the downside. And that's the ORB strategy, guys. That's ORB trading the DAX during London session. I used to trade that all the time with CFD firms. I kind of stopped it because I switched over to futures, and futures firms don't have the DAX usually. Ninja Trader actually does, but yeah, it depends on the firm, guys. Depends on the firm. Some firms have the DAX in futures too, but Okay, look, we need a closure below this, and it looks like it's about to close below it as well. Pick is, it's coming in pretty strong. But it could always wick. And I'm really starting to feel the burn in my traps, dude. Oh my goodness. From the sitting down. This, because I'm not even using the chair. I'm just sitting kind of weird. But okay, sorry about that. I should stop my complaining. But yeah, man, I really messed up my trap with training. I think I went a little too heavy with the shoulders. Maybe that's the real reason here. Okay, so we need to wait about 7 minutes now, like 7 minutes for that closure. But I think, you know, once the DAX also starts, gets going, it's gonna do the same thing, man. It's gonna come down hard, dog. Gonna come down hard. That's like almost okay. Well, we gotta wait about 6 more minutes, 5 more minutes, give or take, to move the stop loss to break even with the DAX. Okay. Great. No partials, guys. No, we don't do partials, man. We don't do partials around here, bro. Not today. Not today. Look, these kinds of things don't happen every day, guys. You gotta take advantage of the volume. You gotta take advantage of the volume, man. You gotta take advantage sometimes, guys. If the market gives it, you gotta take advantage of it, man. Okay, how many more minutes do we have to wait? 5 more? 4, about 4 more. You don't take a break doing this? Yeah, guys, I have to maybe take a little break for my trap's sake, man. I gotta take a little break, maybe. Yeah, okay. I'll be back in like 4 minutes, okay, guys? I'll be back in 4 minutes. Man, my back, dude. Okay. I'm back. Where's my camera? Here we go. Okay. Oh shoot! Wait, one more second. All right, sorry about that, guys. I got a phone call. We should put the stop loss to break even now with the DAX. That's the 15-minute closure, strong closure below the break of structure, or the ORB basically. So the break of the opening market range, I should say. Now, look, the situation is like this, man. The situation is what it is. It's well, we're down like 2% now on the account, right? We could say, let's ride the DAX, let's ride these two to the maximum profit and actually close out in profit. Or we could say, let's protect the capital since we are in drawdown, and then we'll only have 2% to make back at the end of the day. And if it comes back, if it bounces back, then it would really suck for us, right? So what do you guys think? Should we take profit now and do some trades in the future again? What do you guys think? So I'm gonna put a poll in the chat, a little poll. So it's let's do it. HODL or close. Okay, let's see, guys. I'm gonna let you guys decide. Let's see. We got 18 people here. Everybody make their decision. My life is in your hands now. We're seeing a little bit of some wicks happening. Could be a moment where a reversal happens. Maybe not. Probably not. Probably gonna continue to the downside, but I'm gonna let you guys decide. What do you guys think? With the potential here is that we're gonna be massively in profit if all of these TPs hit. This, I mean, nothing's holding the DAX back as well from going into here. Nothing's holding. I mean, we could lower the target for US 30 to the lows here. It's another 2.5k, 2.5k, 2k. That's about 7k ish into altogether. 7k we could be making. We're at 3k profit right now. Do we ride it till the 7k, guys, or do we close it at 3k right now? What is your guys' opinion? I'm gonna leave my fate in your hands, guys. I'm gonna leave my fate in your hands. I gotta go in a little bit. Gotta do some stuff. I can't be looking at the charts all day long. So either I'm gonna leave this like this, or we're gonna close it out during stream. Just wait for the next 15-minute close. Just close gold. Yeah, we could do it that way, that we just close one of them, leave the other two open. I mean, these the DAX trade is a break-even trade as well. Broke the opening market range. Definitely could go way lower. But I'm just waiting for the poll, guys. I wonder what you guys think, because most of you guys were saying yesterday already, take profit, take profit, take profit. But yeah, I just wonder. I wonder what the poll is gonna say. Right now, it's 50-50, guys. 50-50. Who's gonna be the deciding factor, guys? Somebody. There's how many votes have there been? There's been 6 votes, guys. 21 people watching. 21 people watching here. Participate in the poll in the chat. Let me know what you think, man. I'll give you my analysis. I think, you know, NASDAQ looks weak right now. Had a strong daily candle towards the downside, engulfing pretty much, yeah, this one in a massive way. Could definitely drop lower. Definitely going to these lows at least. But yeah, it could have a reaction off of this. There's a little wick here as well. Could have a little reaction. Gold's very unpredictable, right? At any moment, gold could just decide to pump ski up, right? We could lose that trade. I'm just giving you both perspectives, but gold also could be in a major structural shift. Was ranging for a long time, broke this demand zone. Not much going on here, actually. The next level is here, but it could come all the way back up before it drops, makes that full drop towards the downside, right? So there's that potentiality happening. The DAX is pretty clear, man. It wants to move here. It wants to move here for sure. But just like the others, at any moment, maybe the buyers step in, maybe some new news gets announced, everything could reverse. And that would mean that our account is still back at 94K, which is not ideal. We can, you know, come back from 2% loss, but it's more difficult to come back from, you know, like a 5% loss. So, okay, let me see, guys, what you guys are saying. 57% is saying close. Wow. Okay, guys. I might actually do it. But now it could be a bad time to close as well. Okay, guys, it looks like actually some kind of reversal is coming. We're just gonna close it now. We're just gonna close it. Hey, we crawled back the account a little bit. And you guys are right. We should protect the capital right now. We're not in a position to really write this. We're not in a position to, even though I think it's going there. There's going to be bumps and things in the road. It's not likely that it's going straight down. So yeah, we gotta take some profit. It could have been a legendary trade. We'll see what happens. If it drops all the way down there, hey, we had the right idea at least. We just have to protect the capital as well. I agree with you guys. So 57% said, 62% said close even. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna end the poll. Thank you guys for your inputs. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you guys probably later today, right? So yeah,